Welcome! In this video, we're going to review what we've learned about place value. So let's look at this diagram here. Starting from back here, I have my ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands. And if I have numbers in each of these, so a 3 in my ones place, a 5 in my tens, a 7 in my hundreds, and a 9 in my thousands, I now have the number 9,753. And each of these digits is in its own place value. So I have 5 tens, I have 3 ones, 9 thousands. So let's take a look at this number here, 5,408. The number underlined is 4, and I need to find the value of that 4. Well, it's not just going to be 4, but I see it's here, and I have 2 places behind it that I need to hold with zeros. And then my number I get is 400. So the value of that 4 is 400. Same with this number, 9,782. I'm looking at this underlined number of 8, and it's not just 8, but it's in the tens place. So I change this 2 to a 0, and the value of the 8 is 80. Let's take a look at this number, 8,721, and it's asking which digit is in the hundreds place. So just a digit, the single number in the hundreds place. Well, I start from the back here, and I've got 1 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, and 7 in the hundreds place. Referring to that diagram, I know that 7 is in the hundreds place, and that's all I have to write. You don't have to write 700. It just asks which digit is in the hundreds place. Same with this one, which digit is in the tens place. So starting back here, you know this is the ones, this is the tens, so there's my answer. 3 is in the tens place. So there you have it with those different place values. Now we go into our words standard form and expanded form. So let's say we have the number 7,423. This is the number written in standard form. And if I'm asked to write it in expanded form, I'm basically breaking it apart. I've got 7,000 plus 400, you kind of start from the other way, plus 20 plus 3 is the number 7,423 written in expanded form or broken apart. So let's practice that with this number, 2,173. So starting from back over here now, I'm looking at my 2, and it is 2,000 because it's in the thousands place, plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. So I have the number 2,173 written in expanded form. If you wrote it like this, 2, because you have a 2 there, plus a 1, plus a 7, plus a 3, and you added those numbers up, you would not get 2,173. So don't forget your zeros to represent the whole number, 2,000, not just 2. Same with this one, 4,826. So we have 4,000, make sure you have enough zeros, plus 800 plus 20, so 2, and then the number behind it, make a 0, plus 6. So that's a good strategy, is take the number you're starting at on the left side, which is 4, and then change everything else to zeros. Go to the next number, 8. Change everything else to zeros. That way you can make sure you have all the numbers there. Now we're going the opposite way, from expanded form back to standard form. And I look at this and I just start from this side, 5, comma, and then my next digit is 3, 9, and 7. And you could sit there and add it up, but just start from your thousands, which you have represented as 5, then you have a 3 for your hundreds, 9 for your tens, and 7 for your ones, and you have your entire number there, 5,397. Same with this one. However, there's only 3 numbers here, and we have our 9 starting in the thousands place. So I know I'm going to start with 9,000 plus 40. Whoa, I'm out. This only has 2 digits and this is in the tens place. So I need to hold my place value here in my hundreds place with a 0 to represent that there's no hundreds in this number. So then we have 40 and 8. Because if I would have just written it like this, 9, 4, 8, you would not have the same number. Even though you have the comma there, that number would just say 948. And that's not what this number up here says. So that would not work. Make sure if you're missing a number, you hold it with your magic 0 as your place value holder. And there you have it, boys and girls. Good luck on this level.